Hi guys, this is Demazrael. Today we're going to be doing something really fun. And it's design your own bracelets. And it comes with 4 little strips, 100 sparkle gem, and glitter stickers. And on here it says 4 double-sided bracelets. Side bracelets. And on the back it says the same thing what the front says, except of the directions. Ooh, I need directions. It says decorate a bracelet band with gems and glitter sticker. Turn it over and decorate the other side. Wrap it around your wrist and attach the ends where one or a bunch. Easy tab closer to use again and again. So we're going to be doing that. Let's open it. And it has some tape on it. So I'm going to try to get this tape off of it. And it's really hard to get tape off of it because, you know why? Because you need to dig your fingernails in there. And I do not like to do that. I have to dig my fingernails in Play-Doh too. I guess that. Ooh, see that? Well, that's okay. We're not going to use this. Ooh, the case again. And I just saw some directions when I was half opening it up. Okay, here. I'm trying to rip the tape, but I gotta dig fingernails in. And I do not like doing that. And there's some tape down here, so yeah. I can't get this. I can't do it. Ugh. 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 Can't do it. Maybe I can just rip it on out. Rip it on out. I'm getting the tape off, y'all. It's taking a long time. Boys, I bet y'all don't want to see this. So, if you guys watching it, y'all don't want to watch it. Don't watch it. Yeah. The silver one might be my favorite one. Silver, I like silver. I like pink too. And purple and light blue. Which we had the blue that I like. Okay, let's see if we can just rip it all out now. Yeah. Ooh. Screw the sticks. Ooh. Easy. So now, I don't know how to open this part up. So, guys, I might have to leave for a minute to go get some scissors or something because, I can't open it. I can use my teeth. But my teeth are really sensitive, so I can't do that. I'm gonna go get me some scissors. I'll be right back. I got the scissors. Blue scissors. So let's see if I can cut. I don't know how to open this thing. I just snapping stuff. Or I can just cut these ends like that. have some stickers, 3D stickers, right here. Lots of them. Got butterfly, flower, a key, some hearts, a key lock, and all other stuff like designs. And of course, what's the bracelet say? Without any bracelets to hold it. So, first one I'm going to pull out is this pink one. Okay. And this is how it works, y'all. You do that with the bracelet. That's how you do it. And here it has this help section. So if you need help, you can look up there and read the directions, which that's what I'm going to do. Try not to do that, because I'm going to take them off. Once you get the silver one out. There we go. So the directions say, so one fell off. How did it go? Okay. We're good. We're okay. We're just fine. Well, I'm just fine. Oh. Let's just get this next one off. Allowed to rip. Ribbity rip rip rip. Okay, I can read the directions right here. This set includes more stickers than you'll need, so don't be shy about learning them on. You can also use the extras to add a shimmering touch to another craft projects, or to glam up everyday items like notebooks and pencil cases. To remove the stickers from the sheet more easily behind the plastic sheet back, so the sticker edge pop out. So just this sticker like that. Take that off like this. Put it back on. Supposed to be. So I got one of the stickers out easily. Nice and easy. And I don't know why they have it like that, but they have it like that. Oh, cool. This is really cool. So look what it has. Pink on the back. Light pink on the back. It's dark pink. Silver on the back. It's yellow. Purple on the back. It's like pinkish purplish. Blue on the back. It's green. That's really cool how they have two sides on it. I can really attach these like them apart. So I can look over here. Okay, it says decorator first. Okay. So it says decorated with gems and stickers. The one I'm going for first, silver. And this is how you attach it. Go this way, attach. Go this way, attach. Like that. But my wrist is real small, so I'm probably gonna touch it right there. And if you take it, I'll just go ahead to put it like down here. But let's decorate the first side and the other one. So first, I'm gonna use some of these, the 3D mix. I'm gonna use, let's see here for this part. I'm gonna take delivery. So I can do this. So I'm gonna do purple seed. I'm gonna do the purple seed. That's what I'm doing. There we go. And this next one is gonna be like touching kind of together. So, oh, I'm sorry. I'm like talking to myself. I'm sorry, guys. So that is like attaching together, but I don't know if that's gonna fit right there. Okay. And now this was supposed to go at the top. Okay. Maybe we can have it like stick it a little bit out. Okay. Nah. No, that won't work. Gotta push it down some. Good. Push it down. Ooh, look, it's pretty. And on the edges, I'm probably gonna put like lots of hearts. So I'm gonna kind of go crazy with the hearts now, guys. But on the directions, it didn't tell us. You can It did not tell us this, but I'm telling you this. You cannot put any stickers right here where the Velcro is because you're gonna mess it up. Look, I put a sticker right here. You're trying to make it look all nice and pretty. Okay. You can't do it because you're gonna try your sticker and you're not gonna be able to see it. So can't do that. Do not put it on Velcro. These little hearts I use later. And get some more purple ones. And this shit. Beautifulness. So yeah, this is really fun. You can do this at home. But I got this when I was out of town. So I'm not sure if you're going to find it where you guys are. These are my purple ones. Not little ones. I guess I could start a pink scene. Oh. Like, I guess I could start a pink scene. Maybe I can start a pink scene. Who knows? Let's start a pink scene now. Let's use this big old pink one. Right there. And I think I should put like kind of a big one, kind of a little one in the middle of here. I'm gonna use a heart. Oh no, I can start. Purple flower. No, it's not gonna look right. A pink one. It's just kind of pinkish. So pink flower. Ooh, it looks really pretty. Now, if you want to, you don't have to, because the directions on here said it It says this set includes more stickers than you need, so yeah, you can use more than you need, and it only has 4 bands. Well, it's 4 bracelets, but it's 8 colors on here. So I'm starting with this pretty silver one, and I'm done on this side. So they said decorate the other side because you're gonna be. Sometimes you're gonna be one to wear the. Sometimes you're gonna be one to wear the silver, the gold sides, and sometimes you're gonna be one to wear side. See, look how pretty. There you go. So, might wanna push them down one more extra time. Scoot this big one over. I don't have to scoot that over. Scoot this over like that. Okay, that was up. So yeah, that looks really pretty. Let's decorate the other side now, guys. There's the first side. Now we're doing the next side. So let's get decorating. So on this second side, I think I'm not gonna go crazy with the stickers, but I love the 3 stickers. It's so good. So I'm gonna use this blue seed now. Take the blue seed. Oh yeah, maybe I can push that down a little bit. Okay. And now we're doing this next sticker. And I will show you it when I'm done doing this. And where I got this from is Houston. Didn't get it from Walmart. And I don't really know what it was called. I know what it was called, but I forgot. So yeah, guys, sorry. But you can get this at Houston. In the middle of this, I'm going to go ahead and put a heart. I'm going to do a heart. So I'm doing a flower up under here. Pretty. And now on the sides of this, I'm probably just going to go crazy. I'm not going to put two of these butterflies. Maybe this one. This butterfly. Can I put one right here? And this butterfly. We can do a long butterfly. Trying to get this long butterfly. There we go. Ooh, the first one. This first bracelet looks so glamorous. Whoa. There you go. There's the silver side, and well, I might could just show you like. Yeah, that's the TV. It's doing that. It's doing that because like something swirling, something like that. There we go. There's the other side. I'm gonna be wearing this a lot. And now I'm going to decorate just 2 bands. So I might want to make up my mind and see which color I'm going to do next. I think I'm going to do... Oh, well. So I think I already used up the blue scene, so we are going to stick with the pink scene. Ooh, on the blue side. Maybe the green side. No, blue side. So let's do this. Yeah, another one sticking onto it, I can see. Nah, this is really fun, guys. If you go to Houston, please look for this. Well, if you're a girl, probably you want to look for it. If you're a boy, don't look for it. If you're watching my video and you're a boy, you're crazy. Okay, I can put it all now. Just put this purple one in the middle. Okay. Because they only had their own scenes. Ooh, I'm going to try these roses. They're pretty. I think I'm going to do purple. I think I want to do purple. I'm going to do over here. And if I have space over here. Okay. Yeah, that's real far. That's good enough. That's really perfect. And I didn't even have to use that much sticker. It's kind of plain, so we're going to use some more stickers. We're going to use this big one over here. Oh, I can't use it because the strip. Okay. So I can use this medium one maybe. That's good. Spring. To make it look really pretty, I'm going to use this key. And look, guys. Okay, so the key is going to go right here. Let's see if I can find that key on here. Ooh, right here. Pretty. This is going to look really pretty. Another key goes in there. Oh, can you see the key? Oh, because it's right there. There's the key. I'm going to put the, let's see, sit in. Now that's not plain. Okay. Oh no, when I unwrapped. Okay, I'm gonna have to press these down. More extra time. Okay, so on this side, I'm not gonna do a lot. So I'm gonna do this butterfly. Oh, let's see. Just do that. Ugh, pull it away. Okay. Okay. That's good. Okay, we got it. I got it off of it. There we go. I'm gonna show you both sides in 1 minute. Try to pull these stickers off my nails. Well, look at my nails. I need to go get them done. My black is coming off. No. Okay, so maybe I could just do this key, this lock on this side. I could put lots of stickers on this side, so we're gonna put lots of stuff. Cause in the middle, yikes. Oops. We can use this one sticker. It's heart sticker. I'm going crazy with these stickers now. I'm just grabbing them and putting them on. Okay, I don't want the star. Okay. Where's this long butterfly? Long looking butterfly. That's really pretty now. Okay. I only said I was going to do 2 bracelets. So, to show you, I've used this blue side up. This is what the blue side look like. And the green side. Which I think is upside down. Now, let's put it on me. And my wrist is really small, so I'm going to have to do it with there. Okay. Oopsies. Maybe I should do it upside down. So you guys can see it. I do it upside down. Ooh. Ah, this is tight. Thanks. Ooh, no, I can't do it. Yeah. Getting it on my wrist now. Ooh, that's pretty. My wrist is really skinny, so I'm gonna put it on like extra small. I'll put it right there. Okay. Looks really pretty. I got my 2 ones on, and I'm gonna probably put them on me now. We have to clear that up. Like that, maybe. Put it on me. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it this way so I can do it better. Stop. Okay. I need to put this on really tight, so that's right there would be good. It's not really jiggly like that. There we go. There's one of them, and now it's time to put on the other one. And this one, oh, I wasn't even paying attention. This side. And stick those on. Without having to pull out this way. I gotta do it like this. Okay. There we go. 2 bracelets. That one's jiggling though. Okay, we have it on. That looks so pretty. Okay. That's it for today's video, guys. And I will see you next time. I'm going to make 2 more. Bye, guys.